Hello again, everyone. It is me once again, Miss Valerie Rivas, the CEO and founder of Royale Classy Creations, where we create customized, classy designs that showcase our clients' individual style, leaving their guests astounded. I am coming to you with another DIY tutorial. It is a Glam wall mirror design that I saw online at an online store. I can't think of the store right now, but the design was so nice and it was also very expensive. So I thought I would go ahead and recreate that for my wall and wanted to share that with you guys. So I hope that you enjoy it. I also want to let you know, I don't know if I have said this in other videos, but that if there's anything that you have seen that I have created and you would like that design and just didn't want to go ahead and create it yourself, all my creations are available on Etsy, and I will put that information in the description box. All right, let's get started. Okay, so here are the items that you're going to need. These framed mirrors from the Dollar Tree. The small mirrors, square mirrors from the Dollar Tree. This glitter paper from Michael's. Some sort of wire. And if you go to the Dollar Tree, they have these picture hanging kits. They usually have wire in it. I use this wire out of here for another project, so I'm just going to use the floral wire that I have for this. And you're going to need a foam board that's also from the Dollar Tree. And of course, your trusty glue gun and whatever epoxy glue that you're going to be using. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is your prep work, which is to take your mirrors out of the frame. And it's really easy. You just pop these open. And the mirror pops right out. So you're going to need 2 of these for this project. And we'll just put that to the side because we may use that frame for something else. So what you want to do is put your board up. And I'm going to try to do this so you guys can see as well as possible what I'm doing here. So I'm placing these mirrors the long way here. And then I want to place my mirrors around to see exactly how I'm going to place them and how many I'll be needing. And in case you're wondering, that's my grandson in the background. And you just want to make sure that your mirrors line up. So it looks like I need about 14 of these small 5-inch square mirrors for this. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a marker and I'm just going to mark where these are. Okay, so I can take my mirrors off. Then I'm going to take these little black tabs off so that they're laying flush on my board. And I will place this on the board as well, but I want to mark this as well. So I'll mark the top. And I'll mark the side. Okay, so now we have everything marked. I'm going to take these tabs off and then I'm going to glue my mirrors down, and I'll start placing these and then I'll come back and we'll finish it off together. Okay guys, so we have all of our mirrors placed and I've cleaned everything up. Just want you to get a look at it. I don't know if you can get a good view of that. But the next thing we're going to do to finish this off is we're going to take our glitter sheets, and I've cut them out in these little squares that are going to go in the middle of these smaller mirrors. And I don't know if you can see this. So they're going to go in the middle of this. So it's going to look like you have this wonderful glitter glam type mirror. And all I did was I took this and I placed my paper on the mirror, and I measured to see how much I wanted on this, and I want to just have it like right in the middle because it has these hills, I want to say, where the indentations where the mirror rises, and right in the middle of that rise is where you want to place these. So I'm going to go ahead and start placing these. how nicely that looks? So that's the effect that you're trying to get. So I'm going to go ahead and place the rest of these, and then I will show you guys the finished product.